Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best Blue Wave Brush Pool is probably one of the most essential tools for any pool owner looking to maintain a pristine swimming environment, ensuring crystal clear water and a healthy aquatic ecosystem with minimal effort. This innovative cleaning device is designed to tackle stubborn algae, dirt, and debris that accumulate on pool surfaces, making your pool more inviting and enjoyable throughout the swimming season. Its robust construction and user-friendly design aim to simplify pool maintenance, allowing you more time to relax and less time scrubbing. Number 5. Mission Cooling Bucket Hat. Experience instant cooling relief. When activated with water, it cools your body temperature by up to 30 degrees in under 30 seconds. Simply wet it, wring it out, and wave it to activate. Enjoy cooling that lasts for up to 2 hours. To reactivate, just re-wet and wave it. It's the perfect companion for any activity. This hat is incredibly lightweight and easy to fold, making it perfect for packing or carrying in your pocket. Its reinforced brim stays in place without flopping. Stay active longer and enjoy your favorite activities even in rising temperatures. It's great for fishing, hiking, gardening, or any time you need instant refreshment. With a 3-inch brim and UPF 50 fabric, it offers excellent protection for your face, ears, and neck from the sun's harmful rays. Enjoy permanent, chemical-free cooling technology that never washes out. This hat is reusable and machine washable for long-lasting comfort. What we like. This hat offers instant cooling relief, perfect for hot days. It's lightweight and easy to pack, making it ideal for travel. If you spend a lot of time outdoors and need to stay cool and protected from the sun, this is the hat for you. What people say. The brush is very effective at cleaning the pool walls and floor. It is easy to maneuver around the pool, even in tight corners. The bristles are durable and have not shown any signs of wear after several uses. Number 4. GoRound 360 Pro Pool Brush. Keep your pool in pristine condition all year round with this heavy-duty stainless steel cleaning brush. It's built to last and maintain your pool's cleanliness effectively. Experience an ultimate clean with its 360-degree design and long-lasting polypropylene bristles. It reaches every spot, including under steps, stairs, and in corners. Worry no more about scratches. This brush features a liner-safe design with no rough edges, ensuring your pool liner remains scuff-free. Tackle tight corners with ease. The built-in corner brush is perfect for cleaning curves, steps, ladders, and even wood decks and tiled surfaces. Enjoy added strength and stability with its unique telescopic pole connection system. It securely fuses the brush and pole together for a unified cleaning experience. What we like. This brush offers a wide cleaning path for efficient pool maintenance. Its 360-degree design ensures thorough cleaning in all areas. If you have a larger pool and want to clean it quickly and effectively without damaging the liner, this is the brush you need. What people say. It is a good brush for cleaning the pool. The brush is easy to use and effective at removing dirt and debris from the pool walls and floor. The bristles are stiff enough to scrub away stubborn grime but gentle enough not to scratch the pool surface. Number 3. GoRound 360 Pro Pool Brush. Introducing the GoRound 360 Pro Pool Brush, your ultimate solution for a pristine pool. This durable cleaning tool is designed to keep your pool in top shape, all year round. Its innovative 360-degree design, combined with long-lasting bristles, ensures an ultimate clean. It effectively reaches under steps, stairs, and into all corners. Worry no more about scratches. This brush features no rough edges, guaranteeing it won't scuff or scratch your pool liner. Tackle those hard-to-reach areas with ease. The built-in corner brush is perfect for cleaning tight corners, curves, steps, and ladders. Experience enhanced strength and stability. Its unique telescopic pole connection system fuses the brush and pole together, ensuring a secure and powerful cleaning experience. What we like. This brush provides excellent cleaning power in a more compact size. The 360-degree bristles reach all areas, and it's safe for your pool liner. If you have a smaller pool or need more maneuverability, this is a great choice for keeping your pool sparkling. What people say. The brush is very effective at cleaning the pool walls and floor. It is easy to maneuver around the pool, even in tight corners. The bristles are durable and have held up well after multiple uses. Number 2. Drill Brush 5-Piece Spin Brush Pool Cleaning Kit. Tired of scrubbing large pool surfaces? Our popular 4-inch and 5-inch aquatic brushes make cleaning effortless. They work wonders on any aquatic scrubbing task, restoring dirty or stained areas in seconds. Want to bring your pool deck back to life? Use our scrubbers as a hull cleaning brush. These drill attachments turn any drill into a heavy-duty scrub brush, restoring spaces to new. Grime in tight corners. Our 2-inch aquatic cleaning brushes offer superior control and maneuverability. They cut down any aquatic cleaning task with ease, perfect for boat decks and hull cleaning. Turn your drill into a tank cleaning machine with our bullet-shaped corner and contour scrubbing brush. It easily breaks up stuck-on stains, restoring tanks and cleaning filters where dirt builds up. Use these medium blue scrub brushes for almost any aquatic cleaning task, from pools to tanks. They are perfect for removing built-up grime that other brushes can't handle. Our products are built to last and come with a 90-day satisfaction guarantee. If you're not happy, we'll issue a refund or send a replacement. Cordless drill not included. What we like. This kit turns your drill into a powerful cleaning tool for various surfaces. It includes multiple brush sizes for different tasks, including tight corners. If you're looking for a versatile and efficient way to deep clean your pool, deck, or even your boat, this drill brush set is a game changer. What people say. The Blue Wave Brush Pool is a great addition to any pool owner's arsenal. It's designed to tackle tough grime and algae with ease, leaving your pool sparkling clean. Its ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold and maneuver, even for extended cleaning sessions. The durable bristles are effective at scrubbing away dirt and debris without damaging your pool's surface. The brush also features a built-in squeegee, which is perfect for removing stubborn water lines and stains. This multifunctional tool saves you time and effort in maintaining your pool. Number 1. Sepetrel Pool Brush Head. Introducing the Sepetrel Pool Brush Head, designed for a superior clean. Its heavy-duty construction tackles tough grime on both in-ground and above-ground pools. The unique hemispherical bristles allow you to effortlessly clean even the tightest corners. Get a comprehensive clean without missing a spot. Crafted from sturdy aluminum alloy, this brush is built to last. Despite its durability, it's incredibly lightweight, making pool cleaning less of a chore. With an extra-wide 17.5-inch brush head, you can cover more area in less time. This means a sparkling clean pool with significantly less effort. The reinforced aluminum handle is angled at 45 degrees. This ensures the brush is always in a perfect position for maximum cleaning efficiency. Our innovative clip features hand protection to prevent finger pinching. It attaches and detaches easily from most standard pool poles. What we like. This brush features an extra-wide head for faster cleaning and a durable aluminum construction. The angled handle is designed for optimal cleaning efficiency. If you want to tackle large pool areas with less effort and ensure a thorough clean, this heavy-duty brush is an excellent investment. What people say. The Blue Wave Brush Pool is a great addition to my pool cleaning routine. It effectively removes debris and leaves my pool sparkling clean. I love how easy it is to use the Blue Wave Brush Pool. The ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold and maneuver, and it gets into all the nooks and crannies. The durability of the Blue Wave Brush Pool is impressive. It's made of high-quality materials that seem like they will last for a long time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.